So good morning, teachers and students. So how can we get carat? So for here we have the formula given carat over 24K, because 24K is given, then equals pure gold over weight of the jewelry. So as simple as that. So here we have our first problem, which is the missing one is the pure gold. So how much pure gold is needed to make a 12-carat bracelet weighing 13 grams? So I'll show you how to get the missing pure gold. So we have the given carat is 12 carat, and then here the missing pure gold will stand as Rn. And then what is the weight of our bracelet? It's 13 grams. So we will just multiply it, cross multiply 12K times 13 grams is equal to 156 carat grams is equal to M times 24K is equal to 24K. So how to eliminate 24 here? So we will just divide it by 24 and 24 on the other side. So we will get 6.5 pure gold. So as simple as that. We just cross multiply, then get the answer of the pure gold. Next question. Next. So for our second question, how many carat is there in a 2 grams pure gold bracelet weighing 10 grams? So what is the missing part of the problem? It is carat. So the pure gold that is given is 2 grams, then 24K is a constant, and it's weighing 10 grams. So as usual, we just cross multiply it. So 24 times 2 is equal to 48 grams carat equals 10 grams. So how to eliminate this? Just divide by 10 and then cross, and then it will be 4.89 carat. So that's it. As simple as that. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you learn for this topic. So thank you.